Discussing a weekend plan. Hey Sam, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Hi Mia, not really. I was thinking about relaxing at home.
That sounds nice. I was planning to go hiking. Want to join me?
Hiking sounds fun. Where are you planning to go?
There's a great trail about an hour's drive from here. It's supposed to have amazing views.
I'd love to join. What time are you thinking of leaving?
How about 8 a.m.? That way, we can avoid the midday heat.
Perfect. I'll pack some snacks and water.
Great. I'll take care of the transportation. We'll have a fantastic time.
Looking forward to it. Thanks for inviting me, Mia.
No problem, Sam. It's always more fun with company. Self-introduction.
Hi, I'm John. It's nice to meet you.
Hello John, I'm Ruchika. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from, John?
I'm from India. How about you?
I'm from the United States. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. What's your job?
I work as an engineer. Do you like your job?
Yes, I love teaching. What about you? Do you enjoy engineering?
Absolutely, it's very fulfilling. What are your hobbies?